Hey guys, it's your girl Chris, and I want to tell you a great way to make money. I know we are all looking to, make as much money as we can, especially with this crazy economy that we have. Everything seems so uncertain. I wanted to let you know about a good way. A lot of content creators are making money, obviously TikTok. But Instagram, if you don't know already, obviously you're getting, paid to do short form content on Instagram. It's just like Facebook, but it's really a easy, simple way. I found that, a lot of content creators are making six figures or more a year just by doing content right from their phone. And, with everything the way it is, we need to make money in every way possible. So why not have multiple streams of income, get on these free platforms, and make as much money as we can, so I wanted to show you guys about how to do short form content on Instagram. The first thing that you need to do is you need to take your personal page. If you don't have a page, create an Instagram with a name, and then you need to go ahead and list it as a business platform. So it needs to be like business content, or it does not need to say like personal. So I will show you guys how to do that, but you need to go ahead and make sure that it is a business page. So you setting it up as a business form content page. And then what will happen is you will start to create content that is valuable. So kind of similar to what you do here, but you want to make sure that, it's obviously going to be short form. So if you're doing that, you want to make sure it's going to be this way. So vertical, not horizontal. So you want to make sure that you have it that way. And I think it can be up to a minute, but you want to do content that is valuable. So short form content, it can be health content, it can be, educational, anything that is helpful. A lot of times I think that people don't explain it enough. Like, what type of content? What do you mean by valuable content? Content that can be helpful to others. So content that can help you learn. There's so many different things that you can do, weight loss, credit repair. That's why you're seeing so many creators, some of the biggest pages that you think are just regular news pages, there actually are content creators. They're doing short form content by just putting posts, and they're getting paid millions and millions of dollars just by, posting the content of the news or whatever content that they're posting, and they're just getting views. So, people are literally making, 15,000 or more, monthly, by putting in content. Obviously you got to start somewhere, so it's not a, get rich quick scheme, but, we are looking to make content. So I want to let you guys know another way to do it. Obviously TikTok is a way, of the platform, YouTube, but there's also Instagram, and that's what I'm doing. I've been building my page for years and years and years, and I will always see all the content creators talk about they're making so much money and they're monetized. And I was like, wow, I would love to. Who hasn't been posting on Facebook and Instagram for years, and just like, okay, I'm not getting paid, so let's make money, let's do it the smart way. Even if you have, your personal page, you can keep it. You can create your own page on Instagram, name it whatever you want, like if it's based off your content, educational, motivational, funny, whatever it is. Go ahead and create that page today, put it as a business page, and then you will go ahead and start, being monetized. You obviously have to, start posting. That's the thing. You got to post, your content, whether it's short form videos, motivational quotes, whatever it is. But people are making millions of streams of income. You think these are just regular people just posting? They are millionaires just posting their content and being monetized, sponsorship. So it's monetization and everything, especially in this content world. So I wanted you to know, especially the girlies out there, the moms out there are looking to have more content, in every platform, and be monetized on every platform. TikTok is one, obviously Instagram, is a really good way. Facebook, obviously YouTube, of course, is like, the big one. But, just, if you're going to be at home anyway, posting on Instagram, if that's one of your things, or if it's Facebook, just read what they kind of content they want you to have. But go ahead and make sure it's set up as a business page so you can get paid to perform and paid to post. Nowadays, it's sky's the limit. You want to, they say content is king, so you want to make the money where you can make it at. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you don't know already, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to give you a little illustration of what you need to do, far as just like, making the actual page and then putting it into a business account. And then I think they ask for like your information for payment, but it's a good way. Like I said, it doesn't happen overnight unless you already have a lot of followers, and you have a really good platform and community. But it starts somewhere, and it starts with you today, just starting, building your platform. Like I said, it doesn't even have to be just on Instagram. I just know that Instagram is one that I do, that I monetize, that they're paying, and I'm just letting you know that you can do that. So if you're gonna be already on TikTok, you're gonna be already on Instagram, already on YouTube, you're already on there, might as well do motivational, inspirational, educational, funny, entertaining content that can be monetized, that connects with others, because why not? We here to do the best we can while we're here. So let's get monetized. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and then let's do it. Let's get this money, y'all. Peace and love, guys.